अबू चाचा कमेंट्री बॉक्स में, अबू अबू चाचा कमेंट्री बॉक्स में आना भी। This needs the striker and the non-striker's name as well. C4. Guys, we need to start the match on time. How are you? Hey, thank you. Strike में कौन है? अबू भाई. Ram on strike. Sandy will want that strike immediately. And he's got loads of things to prove. Sandy now on strike to Pritish. Oh, stuck on the pads. Pritish Shingal, the man who opened the batting for KRP Lions, is opening the bowling as well. Such a good source. What should I tell for Sandy now to go? Sandy is a floater. Oh, look at that! Right, I'll not make any funny moments. Lajin, don't push me to do that. Sandy is batting well. With a slip in position, Pritish. Short ball, but we'll have to re-bowl that once again. Idea was right, but the line in execution going down. Gone back well in the line of the line as well for Santosh, who's making sure this big total. $249 required. Oh, tried to push it outside the off, Santosh, but Pritish generating good space, good pace. Guides it, but couldn't get off the mark. Santosh, end of the first over, 2 for no loss. ஒரு முக்கியமான அறிவிப்பு, சூர்யா மற்றும் மணியர் தயவு செஞ்சு சீக்கிரமா சாப்பிட்டு இந்த பக்கம் வரணும். சூர்யாவின் அணி சிவப்பு ஆடை தரிச்சிருக்கும் சூர்யா அணி தயவு செஞ்சு சாப்பிட்டா இந்த பக்கம் வந்துடணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. Right, getting into the second over. Manoj now into the attack, and Sandy, Waller run between the wickets, seizing that opportunity, going back, and Ram also equally good, going to that danger end, making sure he gets it very, very easily at the end of it. In the air, but in the gap, behind deep square leg. Will that be the first boundary? No, the ball will not reach that. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆರಂಭ ಬೇಕು ಹಾಗೂ ವಿಕೆಟ್ನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ದೇ ಇರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿಷಯ. C4ಗೆ 5 ರನ್ಗಳು ರಾಮ್ಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ 6 ಆನ್ ದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. Guides it down to deep fine leg. Nobody there. First boundary coming in for C4. That's a good start for them. With 2:49 requiring on this. Manoj just slipping a little bit way down the leg side. Got a booming drive na prayatna Ram kadeinda. Outside edge beat ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯ SGCC 11 ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಸಾನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ಸ್. ತಯಾರಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. What a ball! What a ball! Length was so impeccable that Ram could not decide to go forward or back. That's the end of the second over. 10 for the loss of no wicket now for C4. Sai Brains, Texas Fashion and Grey Scars, sponsors for SGCC T20 Cup Season 3. Priti Shinghal continuing. Sandy wanted to blast that through the offside. Completely beaten for pace once again. Priti Shinghal. Making sure does not give away anything to Sandy. The breakfast and lunch for us deliciously bought in by VNS Hotel. Outside edge, flies past the slip. First boundary for Sandy. And it will make sure he's off the mark as well. Look at that. Pritish banging the ball into the deck. Fast, pacey delivery. And Santosh ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ನ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ 4 ರನ್ಗಳು.
This guy is the one who's scoring for that. Okay. Required. Finally,
234 runs still required for C4. This opening pair is good. Ibru kuda ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ rash shot ಆಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ವಿಕೆಟ್ ನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಡೀ 20 ಓವರ್ ನ ಆಡಿ ಒಂದು ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಬಲ್ ಚೇಸ್ ನ ನಾವು ನೀಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That is what Abu Haq has told them, I guess, in the innings break. We'll give it our best. Now that is good to see. That is good to see from this young team, C4. Oh, stuck on the pads. Wanted to leave that delivery. Short fine leg ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮ್ ಅವರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ನ ತಾಕ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸಂತೋಷ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಸಿಗುವಂತ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಫೈನ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಬಹುಶಃ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು. End of the third over, 16 for no loss. Our C4 gate crashes 11. So just talking about VNS Hotels, they are the ones for providing fantastic and delicious and more than that healthy food at SGCC series right from season 1, 2 and 3. Authentic Kerala dishes is so nice to have that variation in them, because rare to get such authentic Kerala food here in Bangalore. Standing outside the crease there, Ram, to negotiate the bounce. And that is what he does. Punches through covers for a single. Santosh trying to walk and talk, but no, doesn't connect. Once again, beaten for pace, 17 runs partnership. But we'll have to make sure until when they'll be batting in the second or the third gear, because required rate is climbing up very steeply for C4. Short ball wide outside the off stump, could not make any connection. Once again, Santosh. Stuck on the pads, but not in line of the stumps. It's so important. End of the over, just taking that to once again see going way down the leg side. But Santosh is still there with Ram. 17 ರನ್ಗಳು 4 ಓವರ್ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ C4, ಸೊ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಾರ್ಹ ವಿಷಯ. Hemant coming to the attack for KRP Lions. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗುಡ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಿಡ್ ಆಫ್ ನ ಮೀರ್ಸಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ರನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 ಬಾಲ್ ಈಗ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ to make sure he gets a boundary somewhere because the scoring rate will come down. Required rate is 15 runs per over. ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಎರಡನೇ ರನ್ಗೆ ಕೀಪರ್ ಎಂಡ್ಗೆ ಥ್ರೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಸಂತೋಷ್. Connects it this time, straight to point. Santosh connects it hard and a boundary there. Look at the way he's got it away. There was a little bit of width on offer. Went through with the shot. Look at that. Free flow of the bat. Over the top for a beautiful, handsome looking boundary. சூர்யா வந்து சொன்னாப்ல, செல்லா அண்ட் பாய்ஸ் ஒரே இடத்துல உட்காந்துக்கிட்டு மீட்டிங் போடாதீங்க, கொஞ்சம் ஏஞ்சி அந்த பக்கம் இந்த பக்கம் போங்க அப்படின்ற மாதிரி சொல்லியிருக்காப்ல சூர்யா. செல்லா அண்ட் பாய்ஸ். ரைட், another dot ball. $24 for no loss now. Santosh connects it once again, and the Coast Corner country is hitting the trophies. And imagine if he would have hit the trophy, Santosh would have, don't know what happens to the situation if the ball would have hit the trophy there. Look at that, so close to the trophy. Oh, he's targeting the runners-up trophy though. Look at all the help that Santosh is getting. No batsman got that from the umpire. No batsman, I'm sure.
28 for no loss. 5 overs up.
With 5 overs gone, 28. ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಶ್ವ ಬಂದಿರೋದು into the attack. ಆನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಗೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ರಾಮನ್ನ ಓವರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು 15 ರನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು 15 ನಾವು. KRP ಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಆ ಒಂದು ಮೊದಲ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ನ ಹುಡುಕಾಟದಲ್ಲಿ. Handsome looking drive, but straight to extra cover for a single.
You play 30 ball, you play 30 ball, 25.
C4 captain, mentor, coach, all in all, Abu Haq, Abu Chacha is made sure that this opening pair sticks to the plan. We'll have to see how they will put down 219 more runs that's required. But as of now, they haven't lost a wicket. Outside edge, third man, bogeyman will cut up for just one. Look at that. It's slowly growing into that groove of getting runs. It's so important for C4. The power play now finished. C4 haven't lost a wicket at 32 runs on the board, with still requiring the distance from Coimbatore to Andaman. Hemant now to make sure and try to break this opening partnership. Santosh ಈಗ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮುಗ್ದಿದೆ. ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ. Bowlers, and there was an option to send back Santosh to the dugout, but no. Anybody can say every day is not Sunday, but today is Sunday for Santosh. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Under edge, and Nani will run back to throw that inside for 2 runs. Santosh playing it well on 20 now. They've held it together. And just imagine if C4 would have won the toss and elected to bat first with this opening pair. Cuts away. Oh, what a catch. What a catch at backward point. Needed that catch to dismiss this opening pair. The ball was just a little bit short. There was room for Santosh to free his arms. He went for it. Look at that. He went for that. The timing was right. And the catch was beautifully executed by Manoj. Santosh has to now go back for a well-played 20. Imran Mulki, the wicketkeeper batsman, and Abu Haq says he is my Hashim Amla. Just because of the look, Abu Chacha, you can't do this.
Classy game. You want to watch it? 36. He has classy game. Strike is walking assassin.
Look at that. Good take behind the stumps. Very good take by Nani. The ball would have rubbed the pad as well. Yeah. Ball clearly rubbing the thigh pad. But very well taken by Nani. After 7 overs, it's 36 for the loss of 1 wicket for C4. Guided to third man. Boogeyman comes around. From the commentary box, really, if Imran Mulki can wear a green pant, and that looks like Hashim Amla batting with jersey number 1 on his back. Once again, Vishwa's pace. Taking it while keeping, he got hit one on the chest. We'll have to just make sure he treats every ball on merit, is Imran Mulki, because this team is a strong one. KRP Lions can really roar at any moment of the match. Eighth over in progress. Once again on the pad, just a small inquiry by Vishwa. Once again, will steal a leg by this time. Driven straight to long on. ರಾಮ್ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ನ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. ಈಗ C4 ಗೆ ರನ್ ರೇಟ್ ನ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ. 39 for loss of 1 wicket. 8 overs gone. Preeti Singh, Bogeyman into the attack now. Punched straight to covers. ಹೇರಾಳವಾದಂತ ಅನುಭವ ಬೂಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಗೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನರ್, ಟನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ರಾಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ಗುಡ್. ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಲಾಗ್ ಸ್ವೀಪ್ ನ ಮುಖಾಂತರ 1 ರನ್ ತಗೋತಾರೆ ರಾಮ್. It's Imran Mulki now who needs to get off the mark. He does it in a fantastic fashion by getting that boundary against Boogeyman. Imran Mulki, look at the way he timed that ball to deep square leg. Empty spaces available across the turn. Not a problem. Got under the ball and kept it all along the ground. Good bit of timing. Full line delivery. Boogeyman ಅದನ್ನ ತಡೆಯುವಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ. We're just talking to Sandy after he's got dismissed. We've got something for to put up on the WhatsApp status for 7 days. Oh, look at that. Look at that flight. Completely beaten for the lack of pace and flight by the experienced campaigner Boogeyman, who finishes that over with giving away 6 runs. 45 on the board with Sandy's wicket gone down. Once again, it's the same area where Imran Mulki loves it. Another boundary for him. Low full toss. Deep square leg has been his favorite place to get 2 boundaries. Purushottam ಈಗ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ to plug that gap. Short square leg ಇಂದ backward square leg ಹೋದ್ರು. Another ball. Another run. And he'll have to re-bowl that once again is Sachin Rathod. Guides it down to fine leg for another boundary. Right, run started to come through leg byes though this time. C4 ನಂಬ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಬು ಚಚ್ಚಾ ನಂಬಬೇಕು, ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. Punch down the ground. Boogeyman, look at that energy and the love for the game. It's absolutely marvelous. Driven to long off. Oh, that beats Boogeyman this time for another cracking boundary there by Ram. So much power in that shot. He gave it all. Swalpa flight ittu ashtene. Back of the hand delivery. ಬೇರೆ ತರದ ಒಂದು ಬಾಲ್ ನ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಪಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ರಾಮ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿಗೆ. End of the 10th over, 61 for 1. They are going at 6 runs per over, not a problem. But C4 needs much more than that. As Boogeyman comes back into the attack. Start of the 11th over with Imran Mulki marking his guards up. Nice Illuminati bails for the Season 3 SGCC T20 Cup, brought to you by Cybrains, Texas Fashion and Grace Cars. Driven to long on for a single, and we've still in search of that one creative person who's put Sancho's photo behind the logo of SGCC at Y Sports. Cut away but straight to point. Flight was on offer, but Ram trying to sweep that. Backward square leg idru alli deep alli ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವೀಪ್ ನ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. Backward point, deep extra cover and extra cover and long off on the off. It goes straight to the sweeper covers or extra cover. Right now it's 26 runs on this partnership, which has come off a very quick 24 deliveries. 11 ಓವರ್ಗಳ ನಂತರ 63 for the loss of 1 wicket. 249 ರನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 63 ರನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ C4 ಕಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು 186 ರನ್ಸ್, 186 ರನ್ 54 ಬಾಲಲ್ಲಿ. Abu Chacha is all ready and padded up. But look at that! Imran Mulki collects his third boundary at backward square leg. Vinu just drifting down onto that leg stump, and Mulki just helps it along. Once again goes the aerial rate this time. Another boundary. Imran Mulki back-to-back boundaries in this over. The keeper batsman giving it all for C4. Much required this innings. ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಈ ಸಲ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಿ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಂಪ್ ಇಂದ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಡೀಪ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡರ್ ಇದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಆ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡರ್ ನ ಬಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು. Right. Quick work by Nani. 20 runs per over, and Captain Abu Haq feels that he has to go in right away with the wickets that's tumbling around. Was there an edge? That's will be interesting to watch once again. Pushing in for the 2 and will get it very easily as Vishwa was too deep on that long on boundary. 12 gone, 74 for the loss of 1 wicket. And I'm waiting to see Abu Haq to get into the middle and swing some shots. ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮ್ ತಮ್ಮನ್ ತಾನೆ ಅಟಾಕ್ ತಂದ್ರು ಆದ್ರೆ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ರಾಮ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ವೀಪ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಟು ಡೀಪ್ ಫೈನ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅನದರ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ. ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಿತ್ತು ಪುಟ್ಟಣ್ಣ ಅವರಿಂದ ಹಾಗೂ ಅದನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು ರಾಮ್. Cut away but straight to point. Now playing on 29 out of 34 deliveries. I guess it's Ram now to take it to the attack for the opposition. Yeah, and he's doing it. He's doing it in style. Nobody back there, but the ball will not go through to the boundary. Backward square leg ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ರಾಮ್ಗೆ ಬೌಂಡ್ರೀಸ್ ನ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ, C4 ಗೆ ಬೌಂಡ್ರೀಸ್ ನ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Sweeps it once again. This time the fielder was moved from that deep backward square leg to more finer position at fine leg, but Ram picks up that gap and blocks it so very cleanly. Look at that. Boundary. ಡೀಪ್ ಕವರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿಗಳು ಈ ಓವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ವು. 49 ರನ್ಗಳ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕಲೆ ಹಾಕುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪೇರ್. 85 ಫಾರ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ವಿಕೆಟ್. 13 ಓವರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಇನ್ನು 21 ರನ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಓವರ್ ತರ ಬೇಕು. 164 ಮೋರ್ ಟು ಗೋ. 42 ಬಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 23 ರನ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ರನ್ ರೇಟ್. Look at Ram, and Purushottam will take the revenge in the field for the 2 boundaries that Ram had scored against him. Short fine leg na tala mele ಎತ್ತು ಹಾಕುವಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಇತ್ತು, ಆದರೆ Purushottam completes the catch and Ram has to go back now. That brings in Saddam, another explosive batsman, I've been told. We'll have to really explode now. C4. You'll have to come in within 58 seconds. And 2 seconds you can take the guard. into the block hole and off the mark. Saddam ಮೊದಲ ಬಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ವಿನು ಅವರು ವಿಕೆಟ್ ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ಸದಾಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಪಿಚ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Shot kept it down. Deep covers. ಬೌಂಡ್ರೀಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಈಗ C4 ಗೆ. ರಾಮ್ 36 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಬೌಂಡ್ರೀಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ 6 ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದು, 6 ರನ್ಸ್. ಸದಾಮ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಗೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತಾನೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓವರ್ ದ ಟಾಪ್ ಹೋದ್ರು. 6 ರನ್ಸ್ ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿನು ಇಂದ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ 6 ಹೋದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಫೈರ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ. ಓವರ್ ನ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 93 ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ವಿಕೆಟ್ಸ್. 156 ರನ್ಗಳು ಬೇಕು 6 ಓವರ್ ಇಂದ ಈಗ. The strategy is very clear, right? So we'll have to go for the chase, but we'll have to put up a respectable chase is the call that is coming in from C4. Imran Mulki now. Purushottam ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫುಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಡೀಪ್ ಮಿಡ್ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ 1 ರನ್ ಅಂತೂ ಖಂಡಿತ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 156 runs more required. And what's nice to see C4 is every time a batsman gets out, each batsman have entered the ground in a different direction. It'll be interesting to see from where the captain Abu Haq will make his entry to the ground. I'm sure it's definitely a different direction for sure. So the over rate needs to just pick up a little more for KRP Lions. In the air at deep extra cover, it will be cut off from long off. 94 for loss of 2 wickets. And close to 29 runs now needed every over. 154 more needed. Swirls across and Mulki sends it away at deep backward square leg for another boundary. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಮಿಡಲ್ ಸ್ಟಂಪ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಲೆಗ್ ಸ್ಟಂಪ್ ನ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಗುರುತಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಇಮ್ರಾನ್ ಮುಲ್ಕಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿನ ತಗೋತಾರೆ. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲು. ಉಪಯೋಗ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೌಂಡ್ರೀಸ್ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. 100 up for C4 and Abu Haq will be happy for this because the lads have stuck to their plan, but now it is up for execution. 15 ಓವರ್ಗಳ ನಂತರ 100 for the loss of 2 wickets C4. 149 ರನ್ಗಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ 5 ಓವರಲ್ಲಿ. Single. Different strategy, different planning because they are so very concerned about that net run rate as well, because if they crash down very heavily or C4, the net run rate will be more negative. So everything for to play in this match for Abu Haq's lads. In the air, over the top of point, and the ball will run away for the boundary. Wanted to go the other way, but Saddam getting that outside edge over the point for another boundary. Quicker one by Vino. Look at that, he's been known for his mysteries. We know the mystery spinner because he keeps talking. ಯಾವ ಬಾಲ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಡೆಲಿವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನೇ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿಷಯ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಬೌಲರ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅ ಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಬೌಲರ್. Look at that, 3 dot balls on the trot. ಒಂದು ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ 3 ಡಾಟ್ ಬಾಲ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ತಂಡದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. In the air, will it be safe? Yes, it will be. End of Vino's mysterious over there. 106 for the loss of 2 wickets. 143 required. Boogeyman comes to the slips now. Purushottam Aura bowling again. Saddam back foot alli punch ಮಾಡ್ದ down the ground. Long off alone single. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈಗ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿಗಳು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಯೋಚನೆ. ಲವ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫುಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಸ್ವಿವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಸದ್ದಾಮ್ಗೆ, ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮುಲ್ಕಿಗೆ. Imran Mulki is making sure that deep backward square leg is all his zone. 5 boundaries, 4 have come in that direction. And 1 was over the point, but need more of those. It's Nelson now for C4. Going away for 112. ಓವರ್ನ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯ 17 ಓವರ್ಗಳ ನಂತರ 112 for the loss of 2. Just 37 required out of 18 deliveries plus 100 runs. .137 of 18, and Abu Chacha stood up when I said 37 of 18. He forgot there were 100 runs more.
Sir, bowler name? Thank you.
Manoj now. We'll have to re-bowl that once again. The next match, SGCC 11 versus Artisans Cricketers. Will be doing the tossing for that match. Requesting both the captains to please come up for the toss. SGCC yesterday winning both the matches handsomely. Once again, we'll have to re-bowl that as Manoj. Artisan for the toss as well. Imran Mulki goes the aerial route, and Vishwa takes a fantastic running catch from long on to deep mid wicket. That was a brilliant catch running in, and look at where Abu Chacha is making his entry from. Every batsman have entered in a different direction for C4 into the ground. The catch of the series is Boogeyman, who's up into contention, but Vishwa will be giving a good challenge for that catch as well before the previous catch. Saddam single ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ. ಆದರೆ ಅಬು ಹಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ C4 ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕೋರಿಂಗ್ ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಆ ಒಂದು ನೆಟ್ ರನ್ ರೇಟ್ ನ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯ SGCC 11 versus Artisan Cricketers, which is waiting up for the toss. Just chipped it over the covers, and will that go all the way? Yes, it will. At deep extra cover, another boundary for Saddam. Goes the aerial route once again. Will Vishwa get it? He will. Gone. Ibari Matte. Saddam. Music off. Toss between SGCC 11 and Artisan Cricketers. Heads is a call for Artisan Cricketers, and heads it is. Batting. Right. The next match, Artisan Cricketers won the toss and elected to bat first. Sonu off the mark with that. The man who started off the proceedings with the ball for C4, Sonu, has put his captain on strike now. Abu Haq. Gets it up. One rising delivery. Pull it up. Back there. First ball. Boundary. Abu Haq. That's the way to do it, my lads. What he says. Look at that. Shot. Wide outside the off stump. He got some room and slashed hard and put it back there at the cover boundary for a handsome looking four. It's all about that orange helmet that he's wearing. He's doing the tricks. Purushottam Moriga. Sonuge. Lofted drive. Vishwa hatra hoಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಲು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Captain versus captain now. Purushottam versus Abu Haq. Dot ball to begin. 124 for the loss of 4 wickets. Exactly another 125 runs required. Another dot ball. Cut away, but just short of point. There was an opportunity. Abu Haq could have felt that he did not time it well, was his lucky charm. Sonu now. Another 7 deliveries left for the official closure of this match. 125 for 4. Kept it well. White ball. We'll have to re-ball that once again. In the air, Abu Haq will not go in for the single, will keep strike for the last over. Inna 123 ರನ್ಗಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ 6 ಬಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಬು ಹಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ರನ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕಲೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರನ್ ರೇಟ್ ನ ಆ ನೆಟ್ ರನ್ ರೇಟ್ ನ ಕೆಳಗಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Because that becomes a very very crucial point as we go forward in the series. Abu Haq tries to swing one big. Gets it at deep backward square leg for a couple of runs. Stands in tall, punches it. Loopy flight to delivery. Up in flight. Will be coming up for the replay to check the stumping. Interesting now this one. Checking that replay out for the stumping. This angle would make it very happening. The angle change on the stumping should be the run out camera this side. I guess. Once again, we'll just go in for the replay. Yasin once again. We'll get on with this very quickly. Just get the one more angle for the replay, please. For the stumping. Guys, we'll have to just go away with 4 balls in this over for the match. Just waiting in for the replay. .121 required, and it's all down to this 4 balls, because 128 on the board. The net run rate will not be a matter as in when the series progresses, because the other teams looking at getting to the playoffs will have a lot of talking to do, because that is what it will be decided if the points are standing on equal points. The next match, SGC 11 versus Artisan Cricketers. Tossina Artisan Cricketers ಗೆದ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Is waiting in from the PCR room for getting the confirmation of the stumping. Yeah, I guess the decision is made, and Abu Haq will bat on, will continue to bat on for another 4 deliveries. Another 3 now. Cuts away in the gap, but there is sweeper cover back. Trying to use his feet. Abu Haq goes big, but it's straight to Vishwa, who will just cut it down for 1 run. Last ball, and Sonu will be not scoring out of it. The match is going the KRP Lions way right from the beginning. 129 just on the board, and KRP wins this match by a huge margin. They won it by 120 runs, and we will have 119 runs to be precise, because 129 on the board.